Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because today, I'm taking you inside one of the cleanest, smartest campervan conversions we've seen this year. The latest masterpiece by Reset and Chill Campers. This isn't just a van, it's a tiny home on wheels, crafted with serious attention to detail and designed for those who want to explore the world without giving up comfort or style. So let's start right from the outside. The van's exterior keeps things sleek and minimalistic. It has a matte white finish with contrasting black trim, giving it a stealthy, premium look. The real game changer, though, is the solar panel system installed on the roof, perfect for off-grid adventures. Whether you're camping in the forest or parked by the beach, you're going to have power when you need it. You also get roof ventilation, side windows with privacy tint, and outdoor lighting for late-night chill sessions. Now, step inside and you're immediately hit with that cozy, Scandinavian vibe. Reset and Chill have gone all in with natural wood finishes, warm lighting, and ultra-practical design. There's a fixed double bed with high-density foam mattress, custom overhead cabinets, and underbed storage that pulls out smoothly. The kitchen setup includes a deep sink, induction stove, and a compact 12V fridge that's more spacious than it looks. The countertops are finished in solid oak, giving it that premium edge. Everything has its place, and even in a small space, nothing feels cramped. They've even added a pull-out bench seat with storage underneath, ideal for putting on your boots, working on your laptop, or just relaxing with a cup of coffee. Now, performance-wise, this van isn't just a pretty face. It's built on a Mercedes Sprinter base, which means you're getting a reliable diesel engine, smooth suspension, and modern driving assistance features like lane assist and cruise control. Fuel economy is surprisingly decent for a fully loaded camper, and it handles city driving and highway cruising like a charm. What really sets this conversion apart is how off-grid ready it is. The onboard battery system charges via solar or while you drive, and the power setup can easily handle lights, fridge, and laptop charging for days. There's even a hot water system and optional shower module if you want to go fully self-sufficient. Now let's talk price. A van like this from Reset and Chill Campers starts around $95,000, depending on the specs and add-ons you choose. It's not cheap, but when you compare it to buying a house or even renting long-term, it's a whole new level of freedom that starts paying for itself. Plus, you're getting handcrafted, boutique-level quality that's built to last. So if you're dreaming of van life, this camper is the real deal. That's it for today. Let me know what you think of this build in the comments below. Would you live in a van like this? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe FO.